Can I use NFC on iPhone 11 to make payments?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether you can use NFC, near-field communication, on the iPhone 11 to make payments. NFC is a technology that allows devices to communicate wirelessly when they are close to each other. It's commonly used for various applications, including contactless payments.
Understanding NFC on iPhone 11.
To understand whether you can use NFC for payments on the iPhone 11, let's first take a look at the capabilities of this device. The iPhone 11 is equipped with an NFC chip, which means it does support NFC functionality.
Apple Pay, the key to contactless payments.
Apple Pay is the primary method for making contactless payments using NFC on iPhones. It's a secure and convenient way to make payments using your iPhone, and it works with various merchants, both online and offline. Apple Pay utilizes the NFC technology in the iPhone 11 to enable contactless transactions.
Setting up Apple Pay.
To use NFC for payments on your iPhone 11, you'll need to set up Apple Pay. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone 11. 2. Tap on the plus sign to add a new card. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your credit or debit card to Apple Pay. 4. Once your card is added, it will be ready for use with NFC-enabled terminals.
Making payments with NFC on iPhone 11.
Now that you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone 11, making payments using NFC is quite simple. 1. Look for a contactless payment terminal at a supported store or restaurant. 2. Unlock your iPhone 11 by using Face ID or your passcode. 3. Hold your iPhone 11 near the payment terminal, making sure the back of the device is close to the terminal. 4. Wait for the payment to be processed. You may need to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your settings. And there you have it. The iPhone 11 does support NFC for making payments using Apple Pay. By setting up Apple Pay and following a few simple steps, you can enjoy the convenience of contactless transactions using your iPhone 11 and NFC technology. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you next time.